Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I get asked a lot. Can you transfer cash to Monzo? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's think about why this might be important. Maybe you're traveling and need to access your funds, or perhaps you've got a large sum of cash you want to keep safe in a digital account. Whatever the reason, it's a valid query. So, let's explore the options and see if there's a way to transfer cash directly to your Monzo account. Option 1. ATM deposits. The most straightforward method is often the simplest. Many Monzo cards are compatible with ATMs that allow cash deposits. This means you can go to a nearby ATM, insert your card, and deposit your cash. The funds should be reflected in your Monzo account almost immediately. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Not all ATMs support cash deposits, so you might need to do a bit of searching to find a compatible one. Additionally, there might be fees associated with ATM deposits, so it's always a good idea to check your Monzo app or website for the latest information. Option 2. Using a third-party service. If you can't find an ATM that supports cash deposits, or if you prefer a different method, you might consider using a third-party service. There are several companies that offer services that allow you to convert cash into digital funds. Here's how it typically works. You go to a participating location, such as a convenience store or post office, and hand over your cash. The service then converts the cash into a digital currency, which you can then transfer to your Monzo account. While this option can be convenient, it's important to be aware that there might be fees involved. Additionally, it's crucial to choose a reputable service to ensure the safety of your funds. Option 3. Cashback apps. Another option to consider is using a cashback app. Some cashback apps allow you to deposit cash at participating retailers. Once you deposit the cash, the funds will be added to your cashback app balance. You can then transfer the funds to your Monzo account. This can be a great option if you're already using a cashback app and want to take advantage of its features. However, the availability of cash deposit options may vary depending on your location and the specific cashback app you're using. Additional considerations. Before you decide on the best method for transferring cash to Monzo, there are a few additional factors to consider. Fees. As mentioned earlier, some methods might involve fees. Be sure to research the costs associated with each option to choose the most cost-effective method for your needs. Security. It's important to prioritize security when transferring cash. Ensure that you're using reputable services and following best practices to protect your funds. Convenience. Consider which method is most convenient for you. If you're often on the go, a mobile app or a nearby ATM might be the best option. Conclusion. So, can you transfer cash to Monzo? The answer is yes, but there are several methods to choose from. Whether you opt for ATM deposits, a third-party service, or a cashback app, there's a way to get your cash into your Monzo account. Remember to weigh the pros and cons of each method, consider the fees involved, and prioritize security. By doing your research, you can find the best way to transfer cash to Monzo and enjoy the convenience of digital banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.